So listen to this. You've got Democratic Congressman James Clyburn, who chairs the House COVID Oversight Committee, now threatening, just in the last couple of minutes we're learning this, threatening to subpoena the CDC director, Robert Redfield, and the health secretary, Secretary Azar, over allegations the Trump administration tried to hide and destroy evidence about their COVID response. I want to bring in Heidi Przybyla, who is here with some of this new reporting. Heidi, these are some pretty serious allegations. What have you learned, and do we have any response yet from the agencies involved?
Right, Hallie. Well, first off, we don't have any response to this, but these are some pretty significant allegations that are outlined in a letter that NBC News just obtained based on testimony earlier this week from a career CDC official who says that she was told to delete an email suggesting that there were political motives behind an effort from officials to shade data on risks to children of COVID. This is based on an August 8th email exchange with Dr. Charlotte Kent, who testified. Now, she publishes COVID reports on mortality and coronavirus, and she says significantly that she understood this direction, Hallie, came from Dr. Robert Redfield, who heads the CDC himself. Here we had Dr. Paul Alexander, who works for a very controversial figure at HHS, pressuring this woman, this career expert, to essentially delete this email. Now, Clyburn, who is the congressman who uncovered all of this, says that this raises really serious concern about what may be deliberate efforts by the Trump administration to conceal and destroy evidence. This is the main vehicle, this report, Hallie, that really informs scientists, informs doctors, informs the public about what's going on with coronavirus. And it wasn't the only thing that this career official said was pressure from these officials to shade data. She said, for instance, that there was pressure not to put out information about spread at a Georgia summer camp before Redfield testified earlier this year about reopening schools before Congress. So this is part of a pattern of concealing information, potentially, and information about children and the risk of coronavirus. And of course, Representative Clyburn says that he wants to hear from both of the top health officials. And if he doesn't by December 15th, Hallie, he'll issue subpoenas.
I was just going to ask you, Heidi, about a potential deadline or a timeline here. So December 15th, I don't have a calendar in front of me. That is next, I want to say Tuesday, I believe. So basically a little under a week. And then he will, you said he is threatening now to do this subpoena, correct, if he doesn't hear from them?
Certainly. And they say that this is part of a broader attempt, essentially, to obstruct information from these health agencies. But Hallie, I got to say, this may just be the beginning of this period where we're starting to learn more as we look under the hood of these agencies that have already been long accused, for example, with Michael Caputo at HHS, of trying to shade information to make it look more favorable to the president about what is really going on with coronavirus.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.